Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss PGI June 2020 recall based questions. In our video series of first part 1 and part 2 I have discussed around till 30 question. Now from here I am going to discuss from 31 questions. Hernia femoral canal. A hernia seen below and lateral to pubic tubercle. This is correct. And pubic tubercle is apex of femoral triangle. And posteriorly, sac is covered by iliopectineal ligament. So A, C, E, these are correct about hernia of femoral canal. Next question. True regarding this histopathological examination. A slide was given of clear cell carcinoma and options are given related to this. What are true? This is most common variant of renal cell carcinoma. Clear cell carcinoma is the most common variant of renal cell carcinoma. It is associated with von Hippel-Lindau syndrome. Esophagus ruptures, then what is the triad? Subcutaneous emphysema, chest pain, vomiting. These are the triad of esophageal rupture. Following are true about cell cycle. P53 gene is located on chromosome 70. Our next question. True about Warthin's tumor. This is benign, most common in male, most common in smoker. It may be bilateral and hot spot on technetium 99. SLE genetic susceptibility in complement deficiency. Answer is C2, C3, C4. Next question is diabetic foot ulcer features different from neuropathic ulcers. What is difference? First, ulcer are plantar aspect. Diabetic foot ulcer are plantar aspect and shiny tense skin with loss of hair. Next question. T cell mutation happens in which of the following organ? Thymus. Next question. Correct about salivary gland stones. Common in parotid glands. Require. This is wrong. This is not common in parotid gland. It requires submandibular gland excision, and metal time syndrome happens on complete occlusion, and submandibular stones are radiopaque. These three are correct. B, D, E. Next question. Patient is on warfarin therapy. Which of the following factor will not be affected? So factor 8 and factor 11, these are not affected. Next question. Struite stone, correct about it. Seen in infection, calcium, magnesium and phosphate composition. Staghorn stone, this is also known as Staghorn stone, and seen in alkaline urine. This is not most common renal stone. Most common are calcium oxalate. Next question is correct about neuroblastoma. It consists of a small rounded blue cell tumor. It has adrenal medulla origin. These are correct option. Sister Mary Joseph nodule seen in stomach cancer, pancreatic cancer, ovarian cancer, colon cancer. PCOS. Stomach, pancreas, colon, ovarian. Immunohistochemistry of antibody for breast cancer done molecular diagnosis standard is based on estrogen, progesterone, HER2 neu and K167. Our next question is haptoglobin is a glycoprotein. First option is glycoprotein and second option is it decreases in hemolytic anemia. These are correct option. Correct about biliary atresia. One question I asked from biliary atresia. Liver transplant done. Kasai surgery done before 6 years of age. ERCP and biopsy is important to diagnose the patient. These are the options. Our next question is which of the following are slow reacting substances? Slow reacting substances. These are CDE, LTC4, LTD4, LTE4. SBC syndrome is caused by thymoma, Pankhurst tumor of right lung apex, and retroesternal goiter. These can press the superior vena cava. So SBC syndrome is caused by thymoma, Pankhurst tumor of right lung apex, and retroesternal goiter. Lipoxygenase locks. True about this. Inhibited by G-lutan. Primary peritonitis. Correct statement. Transmural infection from gut lumen. Okay, ascites and cirrhosis is a predisposing factor. Yes, in children it occurs due to streptococcus. Most common organism found in E. coli. Next question. Findings seen in Indian childhood cirrhosis. Malary, hyaline bodies, fibrosis, absence of fat. On examination of left renal mass versus splenic mass, features suggestive of splenic mass are growth towards right inguinal fossa, palpable notch is present, moves with respiration. Next question is trinucleotide repeat disease. These are associated with Fragile X syndrome. CAG repeat is most common. Next question is true regarding chylothorax. First, milky white fluid seen in ICD content. Second, patient kept on nil per oral and transparental nutrition started. Okay, and next question is complication of esophagectomy. Triglyceride level used as a diagnostic tool in the fluid. Most of them resolved by conservative treatment with medium chain triglyceride. So these all are correct about chylothorax. Gastric ulcer features are most common on lesser curve. Gastric ulcer associated malignancy in up to 5% cases. Biopsy must be taken during surgery. Perforation carry high mortality rate. Left colon carcinoma features are hematochezia, intestinal obstruction, altered bowel habits. A breastfeeding mother has lump in one quadrant uh, with fever and pain with change in color of skin. So correct about this. A breastfeeding mother has lump in one quadrant with fever and pain with change in color of skin. What is the correct statement about this? Breastfeed is contraindicated in affected breast. This is wrong. Ultrasound done is loculated mass is suspected. Fluctuation is a late sign. Do biopsy if after incision and drainage swelling persist, and most common organism is Staphylococcus. So these are correct options. Our next question is cause of the ulcer present in foot. one image was given, and here some ulcer was there. So it is neuropathic, it can be neuropathic, diabetic, and trophic. So these are few questions, and I will discuss in next part. If you found correct answer and questions recalls, so guys, keep in touch and subscribe my channel. These all are recall based questions, uh, and options are not exact as you are expecting, but yes, this may help you. So thank you guys.